she's like, hey, why don't you come by the restaurant? And I'm thinking, well, you won't even give me your phone number. It's like, Instagram's nice, but I need your number. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Kane-tastic back. You have to excuse my voice, I had a cold last week, but I'm coming to you from Ottawa. This is my home city, and right here behind me is Sussex, Colonel By, Rito Street, and what I want to do for you guys today is I'm going to take you for a tour around the very popular Byward Market, and we'll just walk around, you can take a look, I'll explain what's there, and right behind me is actually the Parliament buildings. Got the Chateau Laurier Hotel, and I have no idea what this day and this walking tour is going to bring about. We'll see some interesting people, talk a little about the city, and if you've never actually been here, you know what, I'll just start the tour and then I'll tell you a little bit some historical stuff about the city. All right, let's go. Okay, so first, I want to show you just a little clip. You can see the Parliament buildings over here. I'll do another video for you guys to see the Parliament, but for now, let's get walking and talking. Okay, so if any of you have not been to Ottawa, Ottawa is a city in Canada. It is about a 4-hour drive from Toronto, 2-hour drive from Montreal. And where I'm walking now is Rito Street. This is one of the most popular streets in the city because it's right in the heart of downtown. There's Rideau Center. This is the most popular mall in the city. $800. So I hope you guys can hear me okay. My little lapel mic went kaput, so I have to buy a new one. But I wanted to get this tour in before it rains in a few hours. When I'm on my scooter, I just rip down here. But you have to be careful with all the people. So this area actually went through a lot of renovations. Actually, right back here, pan over near the chapters, there was a huge sinkhole. So there was a lot of memes about that. One of the memes, there was the Millennium Falcon in the sinkhole. It was awesome. All right. I'm hoping today that I'll be able to see this car. There's a car that this guy drives around and it's got everything on it. I can't even explain this thing, like basketballs, tennis rackets. It's pretty nuts. Sound system, lights. I'll do another tour for you guys of the actual mall inside. And I'll do a tour of the Byward Market, the same one, but at night. This place gets lit. We have a lot of buskers in the city, especially in this area. Oh man, the sun is out. Nice. Okay, let's beat this light. So if you guys like these walking tours, please subscribe, leave a comment, say subscribe, and I'll enter you guys into a draw for something. I don't know what the prize is gonna be, but it'll be cool. This is a great pub on the left, Al Dubliner. Food is really good. Back in the day when I used to work in the armored car industry, we used to park our vans just down here and people watch. So this little area across the street, just a place to hang out, have ice cream. And then we have our famous beaver tails. Not actual beaver tails, guys. It's a pastry, but in the shape of a beaver tail. That's why they call it beaver tails. All right, so I'm just gonna go for it. What's really cute is this, what you're gonna see up front here, and they put all these chairs out. People could just lounge. So I'm not sure if today got a confession. Tried to pick up this girl at this restaurant down here, but she went a little flaky on me on Instagram. So she was like, "Hey, why don't you come by the restaurant?" And I'm thinking, well, you won't even give me your phone number. It's like, Instagram's nice, but I need your number. So maybe I should be all impressed that I've got my YouTube stuff going on here. And she'll give me her number finally. Anyways, this is a great city. It's small, obviously. It's nothing like Toronto. But this market is the highlight of the city, really. Well, besides Parliament buildings and the canal. Okay. Parliament number 1, Canal number 2, and then the Byward Market number 3. So those are 3 things you absolutely must see in the city. For those of you that don't know, we actually have well, it's not a jail anymore, but we used to have a jail right downtown. It's now a hostel, youth hostel. And that jail back in the day, even though it's Canada, back in the day they used to hang people there. So I went to see, I did this like walking tour. If anyone have not done like a ghost tour or walking tour, I can't remember what it's called. I think it's just a ghost tour. You know, where they talk about the history of the city and where people died and ghosts and things like that. Hey! Anyways, so they used to hang people, and you can see where they used to put the rope around the neck and drop from the bottom, open the trap door. It's great nuts. So this is another little area down here. There's a couple little cool nightclubs. There's always motorcycles and cars here. Little market. Been to this restaurant, Lux. It's okay, in my opinion. There's a couple places I want to show you along here though. It's pretty cool. So this place, The Lookout, it's a gay bar. very popular. They have drag queens performing at night, outside, inside. This tavern, Dominion, on the right, has been here forever, and it's a dive bar. Cheap. Hey, yeah. Fairfax Gentlemen's Club, I think you know what that is. 27, this is like a house club, man. I haven't been there yet. Oh, so good. This is a dessert place. This is really good. Here, we'll walk down this here. Oh, it's like an outdoor food party or something. Oh, damn, this is a lineup to get in. Sheesh. Must be good. So the Chateau Laurier Hotel, which is up ahead, they're doing a huge renovation project, which has been controversial in the city because they want to have the back part renovated, or addition, and it's a modern take. All right, so just changing topics here. So Play Food and Wine. This is a really good little restaurant. And it's owned by the same folks that own Becta and Gazelle. Gazelle is in Westboro, and Becta is right on Elgin Street. So they got, let's go pass here. So we got this famous Ottawa sign. I'll show you guys on the other side. I have no idea what's going on here today. Anyways. Walking. Okay, so I'll show you this Ottawa sign here in a second. What I don't like about it, and I hate to knock Ottawa, but they kind of copied from Toronto. Toronto's got a similar sign. So that's the Ottawa sign there. And, you know, I think they could have done something different. Like a big O or something. I don't know. Just venting. Ooh, this restaurant here, 18. You have to check it out. Super cool. I think it used to be an old bank. Oh, it's like a tasting. Okay. Ice cream and stuff. Oh, okay, that's worth being in line for. Wow. So if you guys don't know, when you're doing these videos, anytime there's music in the background, you're most likely going to get dinged for copyright. And it is a challenge to either remove the song, keep the song, and yet, you know, monetize your channel. So basically make money from views and advertising on your channel with copyrighted music. Basically you can't. So you either keep it and know you're not going to make money on that particular video. Just change the subject quickly. So Chateau Lafayette, this is, I believe, the oldest bar in the city. Like late 1800s, pretty amazing. Oh, there we go, 1849. So this bar used to be a dive bar. They renovated it. It's pretty good actually. They have live music. All right, so now I'm gonna take you down through this area here where all the restaurants and nightclubs are. So again, guys, if you like these videos, please subscribe, leave a comment that you subscribed. We'll get you into a draw or something. And soon I'll be going to Milan and Venice for my work. I'll be going to Pennsylvania. I won't do a video of where I'm going there. I'm going to Mannheim. That's like super Amish country. There's nothing to see. Sorry guys if you're from Mannheim or Lancaster. And then I'll be going to Boston and Chicago, so I'll have some other videos for you. So as you can see, lots of patio action here. Blue Cactus, really, this is a cocktail place. If you like those frozen cocktails, it's really good for that. So down here, there's a few other restaurants. I haven't really explored down this area much, but what I really want to show you is this. This is the best spot. Heart and Crown, famous pub. There's a building just down over there, and they have live music on a stage. I think it used to be a theater. So the weather held out for me today. I'm so happy. Just my voice is not doing so good. Okay, Irish Village, I've never been there. Warehouse is cool. Play pumping music a lot of the times. This Cornerstone Bar and Grill, yeah, it's okay. Kind of sucks on the weekends. Back to Brooklyn is one of my favorite places. So it's like a little restaurant. But around 9:30, the DJ kicks in and the place turns into like a nightclub. It's really cool. Okay. Canna Cabana, where you need your weed. Clock Tower, ooh. Quick story about the Clock Tower. I did a video shoot for my toilet seat cover product in the bathroom with models, and their bathrooms here are amazing. Lexington, oh, they have the best Brussels sprouts, like unbelievable. They have a DJ on the weekends as well. So this place here, Resto, JTEM Resto Bar, this is brand new, like couple weeks new. And this place is a Haitian resto bar. They only play like Afro beats and Amapiano, which I love. Food is dynamite, drinks are dynamite. Room 104 is a very young crowd that comes here. Show, 2 nightclubs, college crowd. Never been to any of these places here. So as you can see, there's so many restaurants. I believe Ottawa has the most restaurants per capita than anywhere in the world. I could be wrong about that, but I thought that's what I heard. Okay, so this place, Headquarters, one of my faves. And the reason is because, as you can see right there, they have a hair salon and there's like glass windows separating the salon from the restaurant. So you can see people getting their hair done and everything. That's really cool. Dutch Love, another cannabis store. So there you have it, guys. I'm just gonna turn around here. That is the Byward Market during the day. And as I mentioned, if you like these walking tours, please subscribe. Let me know you subscribed in the comments. And until next time, peace.